Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you a big fan of Monopoly Go, but you can't seem to get the game to load or start? It is a frustrating problem, but don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to do to get back to rolling those dice. First things first, it is possible the issue isn't on your end. The game servers might be down for maintenance or experiencing an unexpected outage. You can quickly check this by visiting a website like Down Detector or a dedicated Monopoly Go status page. A quick Google search for Monopoly Go server status will get you there. If the servers are down, all you can do is wait for the team to fix it. If the servers are fine, let's look at your internet connection. Monopoly Go requires a stable connection to run properly. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if that helps. If you're on Wi-Fi, a simple router restart can sometimes work wonders. Just unplug it for about 30 seconds and plug it back in. Next, too many apps running in the background could hog your phone's resources and cause the game to crash. Close all your other applications and try launching Monopoly Go again. If that doesn't work, a classic restart of your entire device can clear out any temporary glitches. Outdated apps are a common source of problems. Head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Monopoly Go, and make sure you have the latest version installed. New updates often include bug fixes that could be causing your issue. If you are on an Android device, a great trick is to clear the app's cache and data. Go to your phone settings, then to apps, find Monopoly Go, and in the storage and cache section, you'll see the option to clear both. Please take note, clearing data will require you to log back in, so make sure you know your account details. For iOS users, this isn't a direct option, so your best bet is a fresh reinstallation. The final and most effective solution is to simply reinstall the game. This will give you a completely clean, new installation. But a very important warning, before you uninstall, make sure your game progress is linked to your Facebook account or another service. If it's not, you could lose all your hard-earned progress. Once you've installed, restart your phone one more time, and then download Monopoly Go from the store again.